Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, we'll be preparing egusi soup without oil, without no form of oil. So first I'm going to start by so I'm going to be adding my spice. Salt to taste. My curry powder. My white pepper. And some thyme. That should be okay. Now so as you can see, I didn't add any water, so I'm going to cover it up and allow it to steam. It will bring out water on its own. Then later I can add the quantity of water I need for my soup. We're going to be using spinach. We're going to be using spinach. Normally I like using green, you know, the green leaf. Nigerians, you can relate. I like using the green leaf, but here it's difficult to get the green leaf, so I'm going to using spinach as substitute. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the spinach and wash it and cut it. Okay, so this is the spinach I'll be needing, so we're going to set aside. Okay, I'm going to turn our meat to see. As you can see the water is bringing out some oil and water from the meat. So at this point I'm going to add in my water. At this point I'm going to add in the water I need to cook the soup. Okay, that should be enough. Then for now this should be enough. Then before I introduce my egusi, or before I add in my egusi, I can see the quantity of water. Then if I need to add more water, I'll add, but for now this water is okay. So I'm going to cover it for it to finish cooking. At this point my meat is ready, so I'm going to take them out from the water and the mixture. Give it the dry. I want my meat to be a little bit dry. So we'll reduce the heat. This is where my egusi soup going to start. So I'm going to add my tomato. The tomato I will be using, the tomato paste I will be using, I'm going to add it in here. You can add any tomato paste of your choice. Today I'm going to use this one, but you can use any tomato paste of your choice. So I'm gonna cover it to cook. Okay guys, I'm gonna take out this time while waiting for our tomato to cook, and also the meat. I'm going to use this time to make my fufu, what I'll be using to eat my soup. So I'm going to be eating my soup today with pando yam. So guys, I'm going to show you how I make my pando yam with microwave. Very fast, very easy to make with microwave. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. In my bowl, I'm going to add my hot water and really boiled water. I'm going to add in the quantity I need for my fufu. So at this point, I'm going to be pouring in my fufu in the hot water. I'm going to keep pouring it in until it has the way I want it, the texture I want it. I don't like my fufu very hard and I don't want it very soft. So I will turn. If I still need to add more flour, I add. If it's okay, from the way I'm turning, I will know if it's what I want. So I want to add water, or I want to add in more flour. But from the look of things, this is exactly what I want. But I'm still going to add water before it goes in the microwave. So I will turn. Add water, the quantity of water I need. Then I'm going to take it to the microwave. So I'm going to cover it up. So I'm putting the microwave. Cover it up. I'm going to put it for 6 minutes. Then after 6 minutes, we'll see. Okay, while waiting for our fufu, our pando yam, let's see how our soup is doing. As you can see oil. The oil is actually the oil from the meat, from the turkey meat. You can see some oil on top. If you guys follow me from the beginning, you notice I didn't add any oil. I'm making oilless egusi soup without oil. I didn't add any oil. This oil you're seeing here is the oil for my meat, for my turkey meat. That is the oil you're seeing, because I didn't add any oil. So this point, I'm going to add in my egusi. So I'm going to add in my egusi. I don't want to turn it. I'm going to leave it this way. I'm going to leave it this way and just cover it. Then later I'll come back for it. So as you can see, our meat is just the way I want it, brown. You can see the color. That's just exactly what I want. So I'm going to take it out. But if you're the type that can eat your turkey meat without frying, or drying it up, you like it that way, you can just go ahead and add in your meat in the soup when it's time for you to add in your meat. You can go ahead and just add it. But me, I like my turkey this way. After boiling, I like to dry it a little bit. So that is why I'm doing this process. You can skip this process, and just go ahead and add in your meat when it's time to add it. If you're the type that can eat your meat, just boiled. So we're going to set aside and wait for our soup. Okay, let's see how this is. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and give it a stir. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? Can you see my egusi? It's looking really yummy. So I'm going to turn it for it not to start sticking on the pot. So I'm going to give it a stir. Okay, I like what I'm seeing with my soup. So at this point, I'm still going to leave it for 2-3 minutes. 1 to 3 minutes, you know, it depends. Then we'll come back and check. So let's see how our pando yam is doing. Guys, be careful because it's really hot. You can see the color has changed. So at this point, I'm going to turn. I'm going to turn. My pando yam is looking ready. Guys, can you see it? See our pando yam? See it? Very soft. And yeah, see, it's ready. So guys, our pando yam is ready to be dished, ready to eat. Okay, on the other hand, let me check out on the soup. So guys, you can see it's really. So at this point, I'm going to add in the meat. I'm going to add in the meat and a little bit of water. I'm going to add in a little bit of water on our meat. I like my egusi really thick. I don't like my soup watery. I like it thick. So this is how I like my soup, my egusi soup. And this egusi soup, guys, you can eat it with your rice. You can eat it with your swallow, like I'm going to do today with my pando yam. You know, you can eat with rice or your pando yam. Your choice. For me, I'm eating with my pando yam today. So, are you seeing what I'm seeing? I'm already hungry, you know, I'm salivating already. I can't wait to eat my soup. So we're going to cover it up for some minutes to finish cooking. Then I will come back and introduce my spinach leaf. So I'm going to put in my spinach. Go ahead and add in a little bit more water. A little bit of water. It and allow the spinach to steam for some minutes, then our soup is ready. Our soup is ready, so I'm going to transfer to the table. So guys, let's try. Let me wash my hand, guys. Let's dig it in. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Like I said, this egusi, like I said, this style of egusi, you can eat with your rice or with your fufu. But today I'm eating it with my pando yam. I have my pando yam here, so let's eat, guys. Delicious. So this is how I prepare my egusi soup without oil. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking. I hope you enjoy cooking today with me. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, please do. And also don't forget to comment, leave a comment on the comment section. And guys, you can try it out, then you leave me a comment how yours turned out to be. Hope to see you in our next video. Ciao, ciao.